Yes. How we are cook now?
Alright, so watch me now, no man. Yeah, man. So first we prep. Yeah, man. Thanks to Fat Mermaid in Alaska who teach me how to prep. So we have here sweet pepper, tomato, garlic, cucumber, thyme, and the other thyme. Skellion asks where thyme there. Thyme. We have the brown pepper. You want a miserable like a jado me pa. We have coconut, grater yet. We are grater it today by not yours truly. I'm so great if you ask me for greater coconut. Over here, so we have what? Chickpea and lentil in a pot. Yo, now look at this. I'm coming. Breadfruit. You understand some more nice up with the coconut milk to be continued. I'm show no one soup today when no normal in a daddy. Don't talk here, man. So come. Grab your last your spoon and come. You know see whole heap of soup in the pot and come down. Grab your soup and come. Whoa yo, me right to the ship land. Alright, me cannot hurt you too much. KTV herbal remedies. I want you, man. The food is the remedy, man. Yeah, man. This is the medicine, and the medicine is the food, and the food is the medicine. Yo, grab your spoon and come. Yeah. You must see one heap of food in the calabash one, yam. Grab your food and come. Whoa, yo. Boy, I tell you, this a sip you're not normal, you know. This a sip tip for your lip.
My spoon there.
Sip tip for your lip. Yeah, me give you taste reaction.
Uy.
Or me can hold it back. Hold on. Let me see your reaction. Take your time, cause it hot like lava ground. No for look for see me soup pot done. Hyper warrior to them have them chicken. I tell you said the soup now go done. Come.
Different.
It tastes different. Our dear man, the coconut milk is the secret ingredient, Empress Warrior. Yeah, man. You have to taste different, man. You see, man different, the pot different, the love different, you different, us different. Together we are indifferently different. Yeah, yo, don't big up on yourself, yeah, man. For more remedies like this, support the Health Foundation, knowledge of the true virgin. Yeah, man, for more inspiration, health tips, and motivation like that, remember the new book, Earth, on Amazon, and locally here in Jamaica, you can send me a text. Yeah, man, and the new clothesline that is out today. Yeah, man, the best person to model the clothesline. Yeah, man, will be getting a gift basket. Knowledge of the true virgin. Yeah, man, out, man. Peace.